I'm not going like this back to school.
I'm pointing at the windows, looking at my heart. Start nodding my head like yeah.
I'm really debating if I should make this video. I'm just kind of like, is it too boring? Like, I don't really know. I feel like I should do this video for you guys.
I'm so sorry for disappointing you.
There's a trend going on.
Okay, it's not really a trend.
There's a consistent trend every single year that involves back to school makeup. I don't know why people are so interested in watching it every single year since there's like millions of videos on it. But you know, I really was like thinking, I'm like, should I show what I'm doing for my back to school makeup?
You really thought people would want to see. Oh my god.
Like, this is actually what I'm gonna do.
And
I feel like people are gonna be like, no. Like, we don't care. We have videos we like. But you gotta be trendy, right? No? No? Okay. I'll just go. Okay. So today, you know, I decided I will film this little makeup thing and also tell you the story about my psycho business class from last year, because it's truly the highlight of anyone's year when stuff like that happens. So as you can tell, I have pimples all over my face. I just popped. I kind of want to pop another one.
Oh my god, this is like disgusting.
I'm going to be using a lot of drugstore products, but I also have some high-end products that I got from TJ Maxx. So I mean, TJ Maxx is great.
Can you blame me?
This is the hard candy. Stick it to the pores primer.
ew, this smells like booty.
It feels like you're rubbing like a glue stick on your face, like eyebrows on fleek. Okay, never say that again, Julia. I get very oily. Like, if you know me, which you might know me, I don't know. I get so oily. Like, if you see me in the like first period, you're like,
Oh, wow, I love your makeup.
and then you see me like last, and you're like,
Did you have a rough day, Julia? Like, I don't really know. Like, are you good?
you okay? Okay. So I'm using this because I really can't afford to look disgusting on the first day of school. I usually get all done up. This is what happens. I'll get all done up. I'll get all ready. I get so excited. And then I take my photos. Like, it just looks that bad. Like, I'll be like... So now I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever foundation because...
I'm bougie. Like, I bought it. I'm a bougie.
I'm using it because I just want to be cool. My face has acne. I don't think people really want to see that. In my last video, I wouldn't be able to make back to school videos until like a while from now. But I figured, why not just pretend I'm in the South and have school like next week?
Hi, sisters. I have something I need to tell you. I found out my school starts in like a week, and I'm dumb, and I thought it was less. I thought I went back in like 4 weeks, but apparently it's like a week and a half. And like, looking back at the video, I was so excited, and now I have school.
Oh man, I still don't have like a beauty blender. Well, by the time school starts, I'll hopefully have one. But for now, we're just going to use this nasty sponge thing because I still don't have one. This beauty blender really gives no coverage, honestly. It's pretty horrible. It's pretty tragic. My face looks the exact same except a little less red. And considering I have like no concealer, you know, this is going to be a great back to school tutorial. Really good. I just wish my skin could look like James Charles on camera. Like, I don't know how his skin looks off camera. It could be like disgusting. But I just want it to look good. In the morning, I have to do this quick, keep in mind, because school starts early, okay? School starts early. You gotta be on time. You gotta be there. And you can't be late on the first day, because then everyone's gonna hate you. Like, I'm hating my family right now for opening the garage. So, I really hope I don't have gym on the first day, because that's so annoying. Like, we don't really do anything, but it's just like, I'm ready to have classes that I know no one in. This happens every year. Oh my god, it's so funny. I'll have like a mental breakdown about my classes on the first week, and I'll just like cry.
It's a train wreck, honestly.
First day of school, you gotta have a snatched contour, so I'm using this Anastasia stick foundation in shadow. And I know you might be thinking,
Can't you do like drugs? Like, why are you using all high-end products?
I got this at TJ Maxx for $10, so if I can find it at TJ Maxx, you can. I might do like another layer of concealer because it's not looking cute. So I'm just blending this upwards. And I have so many freckles and nothing's getting covered. I am back because I realized I'm not out of concealer. I have my MAC concealer. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm still going to order more because I just ran out of 2 concealers yesterday. But, you know, So, basically, I'm going into my sophomore year at a school in Pennsylvania. I'm not going to say which school it is because you probably, if you go to my school, you obviously know. But these videos aren't just for you, so don't feel special, okay? And they just do something weird where the 10th graders are new. So basically, I'm a sophomore freshman, you know? It's kind of an interesting thing. I didn't have to go through the freshman thing getting lost. Like, that wasn't me. That's gonna happen this year, so. People on the first day of school, they need to be like, wow, she's cute, and then it'll just go like downhill. Like a lot, you know. That's why I'm adding so much concealer, because you need to really hide everything, you know. I'm gonna be baking and using my MAC powder, because again, I really want it to be full coverage. I can't like emphasize that enough. When you're ugly like me, you just have to deal with stuff like that. So we're just gonna dump this powder in. This is the Fit Me powder that Nikki Tutorials got caught like
Eating or something?
She claimed she loved it, but then like it clearly was not. Like, you know, you could tell she was being paid, you know, like it was one of those things. Oh my god, everything's in my eye right now. So I'm just baking to make sure I have flashback for my photos, so I just know I look ugly. So I'm just carving out the cheeks. You really have to just make sure you look skinny. I don't mean it as skinny, I mean it as skinny. Like meme skinny. I've never seen a nose contour this horrible. I don't know what's going on here. I really don't. So Emma Chamberlain, she, you know, the quirkiest one of them all. She even did a back to school makeup like a year or 2 ago when she was like less famous. So that's, you know, now that's how we know. Now
I'm completely copying her, honestly.
Do you know what just happened to me? I said I was going off camera, as you know, but I just did my eyebrows really quick. And they for real took like 45 minutes. This has never happened to me before. I'm like honestly getting mad. Like, I'm mad from it. So I'm gonna wipe off my bakage. Now, on the first day of school, I'm gonna do another layer of contour. Again, I can't look unskinny, you know, like I need to be a skinny legend when I go back to school. And if I'm not, then, you know, it might as well drop out. You know, it's really that simple at this point. So I'm just doing another layer of bronzing and contouring. Now I'm just doing the forehead, because if you don't know this about me, I have a 5 head. So here's a forehead. Actually, it might, no, well, 5 head, yeah. I can fit a thumb. And some people, my cousin Ella, she has a 3 head. Yeah, I wish. I have a 5 head, so, you know. It's really great. My nickname is an egg, if you didn't know, so you know, I kind of look really washed out right now, and if I go like this on the first day of school, everyone's gonna call me ugly and say I look like a ghost. So Ella got me this really cute blush set from Morphe in
Trio de Blush.
So basically, I'm gonna use the shade Oh wow, they gave me 2. I'm going to use the shade Boss and... Do I have no blush brush near me? I'm going to use the shade Unapologetic and... Ooh! And Boss. I'm just blending this out so I don't look like a clown. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's that point. Wow. I need to blend it out with something because I'm not going like this back to school. Now I'm just going to blend over it with this powder brush. Wow. Okay, I really look that ugly. Is this how I'm going to look on the back to school? Like,
That's sad.
so I'm taking my Sun Dipped Glow Kit because this might be the only thing that'll save me. And I'm taking Moonstone. God, ew. I'm just putting it on the tip of the nose. And down the bridge of my nose. Because my nose kind of looks like Squidward's if you didn't know. So you really just got to contour that a lot. I'm putting it in the inner corner so it doesn't look like I woke up at 5 in the morning. You know. Because I'll probably be exhausted. And I'm just doing the highlight. Wow, so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to do the lashes. And I know what you're thinking, you're wearing lashes on the first day of school. Of course I am. I'm ugly.
I'm ugly without lashes.
Okay? And considering this makeup look right now, I really am needing them. I'm using my Ardell Faux Mink. Ella got me them. Again, I don't know if she knew I ran out or just bought them, but girl, thanks. Like, really appreciate it. This is what they look like. I'm going to be taking them. If they break, I'm going to freak out because last time I tried to use these, they broke. So now, I'm just going to put them on because we got to do that. And if I could find my Duo Lash Glue, that'd be even better. I am going to apply my lashes off camera. I feel bad though. Like, I don't want to, but like, I genuinely have to find my lash glue, so yeah. I'm back at it again with the cut video. So I just did my lashes. Basically, I just did my lashes and blended them with the Lash Sensational. This is basically like the cheap man's good mascara.
It's not that good.
But it works, you know, it's there for moral support. I feel like I've been just talking about random crap this entire video, so you know, I'm gonna get some hate comments down below. Really excited to respond to those and cause some stirring. But for lips, I'm just gonna do a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is, for me, I don't like wearing liquid lipsticks to school. I would rather wear a lip gloss, and it's no different on the first day. There you go. Now you got some Kylie Jenner lips up in there. Up in there. This was my back to school makeup look that I'm gonna wear on the first day. You know, if you like it, then like this video and subscribe because I have more videos on the way for you. And if not, then I get it. Like, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, come on now. Oh, there's like a lash glue. Oh my god. Okay.
I know you guys like don't care, but I did promise you a story on my psycho business class, and I didn't forget about it, but my camera has a tendency not to record, and you know, I don't have a monitor, so I just don't know when that happens. So basically, I took this super easy business class. It was supposed to be an elective because we didn't have a lot of electives to choose from, and our teacher in like September was so clearly about to go into labor, and she did, and we got a long-term sub. However, the sub was not a long-term sub. They couldn't find anyone, so they got a sub that qualified to be our teacher. She had no control. We were already a terrible class who were loud, and she didn't do anything. People would scream, dance on chairs, scream curse words. They would go on their computer while she was trying to teach and kind of like bring up these like sound effects and vines and blast them. Like these one kids would blast Minecraft music, which was honestly great. Everyone would just play games the whole class because she didn't care. Not that she didn't care. She just wasn't really looking.
A lot of them.
Because the stuff she assigned, that she did assign, could be done in 5 minutes. So, yeah. It got very bad. People would throw basketballs around the room. Someone cut the wires to the computer so it wouldn't work anymore. People wrote inappropriate stuff on their presentations and presented them. So one kid tried to propose to her. It was crazy. Hashtag Gail for life. That was her name. We didn't call her Miss Lewis. I don't know.
That my teacher, there was a substitute in which was not good at all. I had her sign my yearbook just so I could remember.
Could it be you calling me down? Could it be